Click Manage Videos to open the YouTube Studio of the channel you want to share access to. Make sure you're logged into the correct channel. Click the Settings gear icon in the left sidebar. Go to the Permissions tab. Click the Invite button, top right. Enter the email address of the Google account you want to give access to. This account will be used to manage multiple channels. Choose the appropriate role, e.g., manager, editor, viewer. Click Done, then Save. You will be required to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete the Verify It step. Enter your password or complete two-step verification. After verification, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Send. The invited user will receive an email invitation, which must be accepted within 30 days. Open the invitation email and click Accept Invitation. You will now have access to that YouTube channel in your YouTube Studio account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of YouTube. Select Switch Account. Choose the channel you want to manage from the list. You can now access the YouTube Studio for that channel and manage it based on your assigned permission level.